Assalamualaikum, sir.
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
Sir, Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। Sorry, I was having some technical problem.
Assalamualaikum. Novinas Soel Maruf, can you hear me?
হ্যাঁ, শুনতে পাচ্ছি, বলো।
Okay, my friend son Faraz has already joined with you. So
Okay.
you can formally introduce with him. Thank you for your cooperation.
Okay, Faraz, right?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Hey, Walaikum Assalam. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Your name is Faraz, right?
Yes, my name is Faraz bin Hassan.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam. Assalam. Okay.
Okay, okay. Screenshot নেন হলে
না ওই করছে না
তোমরা কি সবাই স্ক্রিনটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ? Everyone can see it?
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Today we shall practice writing a paragraph, okay?
Okay.
Last class we learned how to express the profession of any person or what is a person, right? And the name of a person. একজন মানুষের পেশা কি, নাম কি এবং সে কি, এগুলি কিভাবে এক্সপ্রেস করতে হয় সেটা আমরা গত ক্লাসে দেখেছিলাম, তাই না? Like I am a doctor, I am Rohim, and he
Yes.
is a student, all these things, right? Can you
Yes, sir.
remember?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ, আজকে আমরা ওই স্ট্রাকচারটা ইউজ করে, এই স্ট্রাকচারটা কি ছিল? সাবজেক্ট প্লাস টু বি ভার্ব প্লাস নাউন কমপ্লিমেন্ট, ওকে? আজকে
Yes,
আমরা
sir.
এই স্ট্রাকচার ইউজ করে আমাদের ফ্যামিলি মেম্বারদের উপর এবং আমাদের বন্ধুদের উপর একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ লেখা শিখবো, ওকে? নাও হু উইল রিড ইট? Nasika, are you there?
I will read it, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Nasika, can you please read it?
I'm a student. He is a farmer. He is a pilot. You are Superman. You are louder. Louder. You are a doctor. We are student. They are engineer. She is a nurse.
Okay. Can you see the Bangla also?
Yes, sir.
Sir, do you have to write something today?
Later on. হ্যাঁ, আজকে লিখতে হবে. You will have to write something. Do you have your copy with you?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay.
how many words do we have to write?
It will be a paragraph of 10 sentences, okay?
10 sentences.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
10 sentences.
About, sir, is it about family or friends?
You are going to see it very soon, okay? With the
Yes,
quiz.
sir. Noted.
Okay, don't worry. So have you understood? It is just using the structure to describe your family or friends,
Yes.
okay? This is very easy thing for you. Now shall we go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is an exercise that you will have to write in your script. Okay, তোমাদের খাতায় এটা লিখতে হবে। তোমরা কি সবাই সেন্টেন্স গুলো দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
Yes, sir.
এই সেন্টেন্স গুলোর ইংরেজি তোমরা তোমাদের খাতায়
Yes, sir.
You have 10 minutes. Yes, yes. হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, দুটোই লিখতে হবে, ফ্যামিলি সম্পর্কে এবং বন্ধু সম্পর্কে। ওকে, everyone please write it. Okay,
Now we have to write a paragraph of 10 sentences about our family.
so just now এখন তোমাদেরকে জাস্ট এই সেন্টেন্স গুলো ইংরেজি লিখতে হবে। ওকে, দিস ইজ অলসো এ প্যারাগ্রাফ অ্যাবাউট ইউর ফ্যামিলি, বাট এখন শুধু এটাই লিখতে হবে। ওকে,
Yes, sir. About. No. Okay.
Sir, sir,
ইয়েস প্লিজ।
স্যার এটা কি ইংরেজিতে লিখবো না বাংলাটা?
ইংরেজি, ইংরেজি।
ওকে।
You have to write the English. You don't have to write the Bangla. Okay, you just write the English.
ওকে স্যার।
My grandfather. তোমাদের যদি কোনো ওয়ার্ড নিয়ে কনফিউশন থাকে, যে কোনো ওয়ার্ডের মিনিং জানো না বা ইংলিশ জানো না, ইউ ক্যান আস্ক মি। ওকে,
Amma শোনো, মামা নিন্দু। Okay. চাচা আনো।
বিচারক ইংলিশ বিচারক বিচারক আর আইনজীবী
Sir, I have done.
Sir, do we just have to write the family part or do we also have to write the friends part?
বিচারক and judge
Sir? Sir? Excuse me, sir. Sir?
কোথাও বুঝতে সমস্যা হচ্ছে?
Sir?
হ্যালো, শোনা যাচ্ছে?
Okay, I went to washroom. Okay, please follow.
Sir, do we just have to write the family part or do we have to write the friends part and the families part?
Both.
Yes, sir. Noted. Thank you.
Diva, are you finished?
Sir,
Diva is finished?
Sir, I have finished.
Oh,
Sir, I
Lion,
have done.
Lion is advanced today, it seems.
মানুষের চেহারা দেখে এই যে আইসে তো তাও তো
Oh, Tati, Mami, সবাই। বিচারক judge. JUDGE.
What was the
Lawyer.
lawyer?
Lawyer.
চাচার তো কি হবে?
Uncle.
Just
LA.
follow.
LAWER.
Yeah, চাচা তো একজন গায়ক
Kaika.
doesn't mean
Singer.
my
My cousin.
I don't know this word.
sir, I am done.
Who is done? Nasika and Ruha?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am done.
Sir, finished.
Sir, I am done.
About 5 minutes ago.
Diva finished it 5 minutes ago?
Sir, I'm finished.
Okay,
I
it's
have
okay.
finished.
Sir, I'm
finished.
finished.
It's okay,
Sir,
it's
I'm
okay.
finished.
Okay. We should give time to others also, okay?
Yes, sir. Noted.
স্যার আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
Yes, sir.
দেখতে পাচ্ছ না?
না।
অন্যরা কি দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
Yes, sir.
না স্যার
কে
আমি
দেখতে
দেখতে
পাচ্ছ
পাচ্ছি
না?
না।
ফারাজ,
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
স্যার আমি
Yes,
দেখতে
sir.
Yes, sir.
কে দেখতে পাচ্ছ না? মারজান,
ইয়েস স্যার।
বিচারক
কিভাবে হবে? আরো ওরা তো লিখতেছে।
yeah, Tiba, you went to book fair, I think.
Yes, sir, I have went there.
What are the books you bought from the book
Sir,
fair?
I have bought
যারা লেখো না তারা লেখা কন্টিনিউ করো। You finish your writing.
I have bought Nishi Trainer book, Buddhapura's some stories,
Hmm.
and that's it. And I have also bought some books of Humayun Ahmed.
Do you go to book fair
My cousin is.
do you go to book fair every year?
Sir, as I have went to the book fair last year and this year because
Last
we were in Dhaka in that time.
Okay, thank you. Who else has gone to book fair this year?
Sir, I have gone to the book fair.
Aryan,
Yes, sir.
what are the books you bought?
Sir, there are some comic books and then some, science fiction and thriller, murder thriller.
Murder thriller?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Do you think it is okay to read murder thriller books, Aryan?
Yeah, it's, the most interesting and the plot twist are so good.
Do you think you are a bit young to read?
এইটুকু হয়ই নাই। No, I'm a bit young.
Everyone finished? আরশ, তুমি কি লিখেছো বাবা? আরশ, are you there?
Yes, sir.
তুমি কি লেখা কমপ্লিট করেছো?
জি স্যার।
কথা বলছো না? হ্যাঁ, বলতেছি।
Sadaf, have you completed? Sadaf, have you completed?
No, sir.
Sadaf, what about you?
No, sir.
Okay. Tasmia, are you finished?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I think Mukta madam is with us today, right?
Sure.
Mukta madam, is it you from Fulbari?
TL man MN
Logno, are you finished?
Yes, sir.
Have you gone to book fair this year?
No, sir.
Not yet.
He is a
Famous.
Finished.
Finished?
sir. I don't finish.
Okay, we can hear from Tiba first, right? যাদের এখনো কমপ্লিট হয় নাই, you complete.
Okay, sir.
কমপ্লিট করতে থাকো and we start hearing. Okay. Tiba, could you tell us what have you written?
Yes,
Yes, sir, obviously. I have written,
Completed.
as follows.
my father is a pilot. His father's name is. My father is a pilot. My grandfather is a teacher. My grandmother is my grandmother is a writer. My aunt is a nurse. My sister is a banker. My brother is a dentist. My uncle is a freedom fighter. My aunt is a judge. My cousin is a lawyer. My another cousin is a singer.
Now
Okay.
may I say?
Okay, yes, Aryan, please.
His
What the
father.
friends?
My father is a pilot.
Friends,
My
friends.
grandfather.
His father is.
About the friends.
Oh, sir, about the friends. Okay.
Yeah.
His
Masum is my
father
friend.
is.
Who
His father
is a
is.
very Masum is my friend who is a very brilliant student. His father's name is Rana, who's a farmer, and he's a gentleman. His mother is a caretaker who was very famous. Rina is her sister, who is a famous singer.
Okay. Sadaf, can you please read what have you written?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what?
My father is a pilot.
Hmm.
My grandmother is a teacher. My my grandfather is a teacher. My grandmother is a writer. My aunt is a nurse. My sister is a banker. My brother is a dentist. My uncle is freedom fighter. My
Can
aunt
you spell the word freedom fighter?
মুক্তিযুদ্ধ
না, ইংরেজিতে ফ্রিডম ফাইটার বানানটা করো দেখি, তুমি কি লিখেছো?
FREEDOM freedom. FIGHTER fighter.
Okay. Then আমার মামি বলো এটা। Sadaf, are you there? Please continue. Okay, maybe we have lost. Tasmia, are you there?
Yes, sir.
তুমি ফ্রেন্ড সম্পর্কে যা লিখেছো ওইটা বলো।
Masum is my friend. He is a brilliant student. His father name is Rana. He's a gentleman. Her mother is a nurse. She is a famous nurse. Rina is her sister. She is a singer.
Okay, good. Anyone else wants to say?
Sir, I am.
Who is
Yes,
it?
sir.
Sir, I want.
Who want to say?
Sir, I am. Arash Marjan.
Okay.
Also.
Okay, excuse me. Someone has logged in with iPhone. Please, when you log in the Zoom, please log in with your name, okay? So that I can understand who is.
This is Aditya.
iPhone is Ayat.
Oh,
Who is
Aditya.
it? The name is Mukta.
This is my name, but baby's name is Aditya Roy.
Okay, Aditya Roy, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, you want to say? Please log in with your baby's name, okay? Okay, that's good now. Okay, Aditya Roy.
His mother is a.
Yes, sir.
Okay. তুমি বলতে চাও?
What?
কি লিখেছো সেটা আমাদেরকে বলো। Please tell us.
His mother is a famous nurse.
স্যার মাত্র জয়েন করেছি।
ও মাত্র জয়েন করেছো। It's okay. It's
আমি
okay.
বলি Sir, I want to say.
নাম বলে বলবা, কে বলতে চাচ্ছ?
His mother is a famous nurse. Sir,
No one wants to say.
I want to say.
বলো।
Okay.
My father is a pilot. My grandfather is a teacher. My grandmother is a writer. My aunt is a nurse.
My sister is a banker. My brother is a dentist. My uncle is a freedom fighter. My aunt is a judge. My cousin is an advocate. My cousin is a singer.
Is it advocate or lawyer? Tiba, which one is better?
Right, right
Lawyer. What
advocate.
is the spelling of lawyer?
LAWYER.
Okay, my son was having an argument with that.
Sir, I think lawyer is.
Okay.
Sir, may I speak?
So lawyer is spelling LAWYER, right?
Sir,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
lawyer. Sir, may I
Yeah.
speak?
Yeah,
I
sure.
think lawyer is an appropriate word because it is used in most formal, most formal things and in most formal documents.
Okay, thank you. So, Adita Parveen, do you want to tell also
which one?
about the friend?
Okay, sir.
My one is done too.
Ayat, please log in with your name. Never log in with your
My
false name again, okay?
okay.
I can't understand who is there.
My name is iPhone.
Okay, Ayat, please tell about the friend.
About the friend. Okay. My friend's name
No.
is
তুমি কি এটা লিখেছো? এখানে যেটা আছে এটা ইংলিশ লিখেছো?
yes.
সেটা বলো।
Masoom is my friend.
হুম,
He's a brilliant student.
হুম,
His father's name is Rana.
হুম,
His father is a farmer.
okay,
He's a gentleman.
হুম,
His mother is a nurse.
হুম,
His mother is a famous nurse.
হুম,
His sister name is Rina.
হুম।
She's a singer.
His sister? His sister's name is Rina. Is it okay?
Yes.
Are you sure? It would be her or something like that. I think she's lady.
His sister name is Rina.
Sir,
Okay.
I want to tell.
You want to tell? Your time is coming, okay?
Sir, I want to tell also.
Okay, now, can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is an open paragraph writing exercise, okay?
Yes.
Okay, Logno, can you read it? What is written here?
I cannot see.
What?
I want to tell.
Okay, Logno, can you read it? What is written here?
Student will be write a paragraph on their family member, their names, professions, or what they are. They should write at least 2 sentences about every members of their family. First sentence, the name of the family member. Second sentence, the profession of the members. An example, my father's name is Nawaz and he is a government officer. My mother name is Sonia. He is a teacher.
He is a teacher. তোমরা কি সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো? Abiyaz, have you understood?
Yes. I have a question.
Manha, can you see it?
স্যার আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
Sir,
কে
I
দেখতে
have a
পাচ্ছ না?
question.
I cannot see.
Others can see. Only you can't see it. So
Sir,
what can you do?
Sir, I have a question.
Oh, Tiba, yes, please.
Is can we write official instead of officer, or it is a mistake? Because there is government official written.
It's okay. Government official is okay.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay. So, is it clear to you what you have to do? Abiyaz, is it clear?
Sir, is it right to write? Sir, is it right to write that my father's name is Nawaz, who He's a government official.
It's okay, you can write it, but we are just making things easier, okay? Later on, we shall discuss these complicated issues, okay, Aryan?
Yes, sir.
Now we are discussing the simple things, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to write these simple things. তোমরা কি সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, sir.
তোমাদের
Yes.
ফ্যামিলি মেম্বারের উপর একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখতে হবে। Students will write a paragraph on their family members, mentioning their names, professions, or what they are, okay?
Yes, sir.
Write at least two
Do we have to
sentences
write
about
it at
every
this
member of
moment?
their family. In the first sentence, they will write the name of the family member, and in the second sentence, the profession. Like, say, if you are writing about your brother, first write the name of your brother, then you can say he is a student, okay? Then if you want to write, the rule is at least two sentences about every family member, okay? You can write more than two sentences, okay? Is it clear to you,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this is open.
Yes, sir.
You have 6 minutes to write 10 sentences about your family members, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Everyone clear? Faraz?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have 6 minutes.
Can it be more than 10 sentences?
It can be more than 10 sentences, but it is at least 10 sentences, okay? And you have 6 minutes time.
Yes, sir.
Your time starts now.
স্যার আরেকবার একটু বুঝাবেন, আমি বুঝতে পারিনি।
ওকে, আমাদের ফ্যামিলি মেম্বারদের সম্পর্কে আমরা একটা ছোট্ট প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখবো, ওকে?
Okay,
এই
sir.
প্যারাগ্রাফে কন্ডিশন হচ্ছে আমাদের ফ্যামিলি মেম্বারদের প্রত্যেকের সম্পর্কে, মানে যার সম্পর্কে লিখবো অন্তত 2টা সেন্টেন্স লিখতে হবে।
ইয়েস স্যার।
একটা সেন্টেন্সে তার নাম থাকবে, আর একটা সেন্টেন্সে তার প্রফেশন, মানে সে কি করে। এটা হইতে পারে হি ইজ এ গভর্নমেন্ট অফিসিয়াল, তারপরে তুমি যদি তোমার ভাই সম্পর্কে লিখো বা বোন সম্পর্কে লিখো, ইট ক্যান বি হি ইজ এ অর শি ইজ এ স্টুডেন্ট, ওকে? Or he
Yes,
is a
sir.
doctor, she is a doctor, he is a pilot, all these things. At least 2 sentences. তুমি লেখো।
ওকে স্যার।
ওকে, তুমি সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো?
ইয়েস স্যার।
ওকে, এর আগের বার যারা বলো নাই, এবার আমরা তাদের কাছ থেকে শুনবো, ওকে?
School.
Okay, I'm increasing the time. You have, sorry, 8 minutes, okay?
I'm done.
Who is done?
Sir Nasika.
Nasika?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm
Okay.
also done.
Nuha is also done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayat is also done.
No.
Okay. Nuha, what is your favorite song?
Sir, I don't have any favorite song. I don't listen song.
You don't listen to song?
No, sir, I don't listen to song.
Okay. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is La La Land. It is a horror movie.
Hmm. Can you
And
describe the movie? What happened in it?
sir, first we can see a family
Okay.
who they have 4 members.
Hmm.
A elder sister and her brother and the father and mother. They live in Canada,
Hmm.
and one day her elder sister. Sir, actually I forget the name. What is the name of the elder sister?
Hmm.
So one day, the sister went her friend's house at
Hmm.
night, and when she returning to her home, she faced a horror incident. It was a ghost in front of her. It was in the fridge, and there when I forgot many incidents.
Sir, I'm done.
It's okay.
in the
Thank you, Nuha, for the story.
Sir, I am
Sir, I'm done also.
Sir, I am also done.
Sir, I'm done also.
What
Sir,
about
I'm
Manha?
done 5 minutes ago.
You are done 5 minutes ago. Okay, Ajita, are you done?
Sir, almost.
Almost. Okay, Arosh? Hmm. You can carry on if you want. Okay, Arosh, are you done?
No, sir.
It's okay. It's okay. Ariane, what is your favorite movie?
Let me think. My favorite movie is Mission Impossible.
Mission Impossible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you like Tom Cruise, right?
Yes, sir. Tom Cruise is my absolute favorite.
Tiva, have you seen the movie Mission Impossible?
No, sir. No, sir, I don't see English movies.
You don't see movies.
English movies, sir. I see movies, but not English movies.
Can you just increase its sound? It's okay.
My favorite.
Marjan, are you finished?
Yes, sir. I finished.
Sir, I'm finished.
Okay, now I think we can start. Now, last time Abias did not.
Sir, my one not finished.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Now Abias will tell what he has written. Okay.
My name is Abiyaj. I am a student of BM Laboratory School. I read in class 4. My father's name is Novinaz. He is a government officer. My mother's name is Sophia. She is a homemaker. My brother's name is Aznon. He is only 9 months old.
Okay. So now last time Faraz did not say. Oh, Logno. Yes, Logno.
My name is Nagarani Sharkar. I'm a student of Mirpur Girls Laboratory Institute, Dhaka. I read in class 9. I want to see my family members. There are 4 members in my family. My father's name is Madhav Kumar Sharkar. He is a marketing. My mother name is Lipirani Sharkar. She is a nurse. I have a younger brother. His name is Ankon Kumar Sharkar. He read in class 1.
Thank you. Faraz, can you please tell us What have you written?
I'm reading class 6. I'm reading at school college. My father, his name is Miraj Muhammad Tariqul Hassan. He is a businessman. My mother name is Umayyatus Afroza. He is a government employee.
Okay, thank you. Ajita, can you please?
Sir.
Ajita,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Sir, my one is done too.
Ajita, we can't see your big glasses. Are you there? You put on big glasses. We like it.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm here.
We just love your big glasses. Okay, please carry on.
My name is Ajita Parveen. I am a student of grade 4. My father's name is Muhammad Shahinur Rahman. He is a banker. My mother's name is Parveen Sultana. She is a service holder. I have a little sister. Her name is Orlin Parveen. She is a student of KG1. I have an uncle. His name is Milon.
Sir,
He is
my one is done too.
My aunt's name is Bithi. She's a housewife. I have a cousin. Her name is Orin and she's a student.
Thank you. That's beautiful. So, Marjan, would you like to say?
Yes, sir.
I want to say. Manha,
Sir,
you
I
want
want
to
to
say?
say.
Okay, everyone will get opportunity. Don't worry. Manha, please.
My name is Manha. I'm in class 5. My father's name is Minhaj. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Mafara. She is a government service holder. My brother's name is Mahir. He is a student. My uncle name is Rana. He is a police officer. My aunt's name is Sharmin. She is a doctor.
That's great. That's great. So now,
Sir, may I say my paragraph out loud?
no,
Sir, I
not
want
this
to
time.
say.
You said it last time. So this
May I
time,
finish?
Tasmia, you said it last time. Arosh, can you say what have you written? Arosh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Arosh, bolo, what have you written? Arosh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please.
There are 4 members in my family.
Okay.
My father name is Masud. He is a government employee, and my mother name is Aisha. He is a government employee. My elder brother name is Shumon. He is a student, and my grandfather name is Rohim. He is a teacher. I'm proud of my family.
That's great. That's great. Okay. Last time, who did not say?
Ayat.
Ayat.
Sir,
Okay, Ayat.
I want to say.
Okay, okay. Ayat. Then Marjan, okay? Okay, Ayat,
Thank
bolo.
you. My name is FM Ahraf Ayaz Ayat. I am 10 years old. I am a student. I read in class 3. There are 4 members in my family. My father's name is Ahmed Ali Fakir. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Nur Nahar. She is a housewife. My younger brother name is Akif Fawad Ayash. He's 3 years old.
Okay, Marjan.
Yes, sir. Family is the foundation of love, strength, and support. My family is my life's greatest blessing. We are blessed with 4 members in our small family. My father name is Jubair Ahmed. He is a police officer. My mother name is Saima Kavita. She is a housewife. I have a little sister. Her name is Yana. She is only 4 years old. My father and mother teach us how to nice and behave well with others. We also love each other very much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Marjan.
Thank you, sir.
Afjan Hussain, Orin, are you there? Orin, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you let us know what have you written?
My name is Afjan Hussain Orin. I live in Savar, Dhaka. I read in class 5. I have one brother. His name is Abid Muhammad. Abid Muhammad. I read in class 1. My mother's name is Irene Akhtar. She is a teacher. My father's name is Alamgir Hussain. He is a service holder. My grandmother's name is Jahanara. My grandfather's name is Afazuddin.
You read in class 1?
My brother read in class 1.
Okay, and you?
I read in class 5.
Okay. Now we have a competition. Okay? Okay, little competition. Okay. So today, Faraz will be added with the Lion group. Faraz?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is there anyone new? Okay, Sadat.
Hello.
Sadat, you will be in the Lion group.
Aditya want to say.
Aditya, where are you? Aditya? Please, Aditya, follow.
Oh,
Aditya. Okay.
I also want to say hello.
My name is Aditya Roy. I am a student of Golbagicha class 3. My father's name is Probir Kumar Roy. He is a government official. Now he lives in Japan for higher study. My mother's name is Muktanak. She is a judge. Now I live with my mother in Kumilla.
Thank you. Sadaf, you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, after Sadaf,
My name is
Tasmia will
Sadaf.
say, okay?
My name is Sadaf. I'm a student of Darmuktab Government Primary School in class 5. My father's name is Sheikh Ghulam Russell. He's a teacher of a government Rajbari college. My mother's name is Sadia Islam. She's a housewife of our home. My sister's name is Sheikh Ishati Radia, but her nickname is Adiba. She'll be a student of Rajbari Kindergarten. She's in KG. We are all a happy family.
Thank you. Tasmia, you want to say?
Welcome.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Family is an important part of everyone life. I am Raisha. I am a student. There are 4 members in my family. My father's name is Tajul Islam Reza. He is a college teacher. My mother's name is Tanjana Khatun. She is school teacher. My brother's name is Tahmid Islam. He is a student. We are happy family.
Okay, thank you. So can we go for the competition? Okay, Faraz will be in the Lion group. And
Yes, sir.
Sadat will be also in the Lion group. And Sadaf will be in the Tiger group. Arosh will be in the Lion group, okay? Okay, Tiba, can you please note down your team members? Tiba, can you listen to me?
I have noted.
You have noted. Aryan, have you noted? Logno,
Yes, sir. I noted.
you noted. Okay. So the rule of the game is okay, Tiba has-
Teacher.
Okay, now the rule is that Lion group will ask some translation to Tiger group, and the same way Tiger group will ask some translation to Lion group. Okay? Lion group প্রথমে 10টা ট্রান্সলেশন টাইগার গ্রুপকে জিজ্ঞেস করবে, তারপরে টাইগার গ্রুপ যতগুলো অ্যান্সার করতে পারবে they will get 2 points for every correct answer. Okay, in the same way Tiger group will also ask some translation to Lion group. Lion group যতগুলো কারেক্ট করতে পারবে for every correct answer they will get 2 marks. Okay? And the translations can be, I have given some examples here. তোমরা এই জাতীয় ট্রান্সলেশন জিজ্ঞাসা করতে পারো, okay? Are you ready?
Yes,
So which
sir.
group will ask first? A member cannot answer more than one question.
Okay,
একটা গ্রুপ থেকে একজন মেম্বার একটা কোশ্চেনে বেশি আনসার করতে পারবে না।
Sir, Tiger will question first.
Tiger will question first. Tiba, do you agree?
sir.
Or we shall have a lottery?
Sir, you should have a lottery. Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
No
it's okay.
cheating.
Logno? Logno
No
is the
cheating.
leader. Logno, what do you think? Lottery?
Rock, paper, scissors.
I don't know how to play rock, paper, scissors, but I know how to do lottery, okay?
Teacher.
Tiba, rock, paper, and scissor.
My son wants to teach me now, but not now. I don't have time. So I will show you two fingers, okay? One finger is asking question first, and the second, another finger is asking question later, okay?
Sir,
So I should give the chance.
Sir, the middle finger.
No, I have not given the option yet. First, Tiba will select which finger, this one or this one.
Sir, I'm going to select this one.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you will ask first.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so lion group will ask question first. Okay,
Yes, sir.
who will take the count? Keep the count.
Sir, I have a question.
Sir,
Manha,
I
bolo.
will count the numbers.
Okay, you will count the numbers.
Sir, I
So
have a
lion group
question.
will ask question to tiger group. No student will be able to answer more than one question.
Sir, I
Okay.
have a question.
Mhm.
We have to ask 10 questions, but
Teacher.
in our group, we have 9 members. So how can we question only one of how can each member can only
In that case, one member can answer two questions.
দেওয়া নেই যে I am কোন ক্লাসে বড় সেটাও
I
লেখা
have
নাই।
selected.
Teacher.
Yeah, please.
But they do not know what team there is.
I have told them. Okay, bolo. Ayat, you are in lion group. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's
Who
start.
is my
Your team leader is Tiba.
Who
The
is my
leader
team
of lion
member?
group is Tiba, and the team leader of tiger group is Logno. Let's start. Tiba.
Okay, sir.
I'm in my group.
I have a
Translation জিজ্ঞেস করো. Okay.
I have a question for Lognapu, where I can't see her.
Okay. Anyone can ask anyone question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
সে
সে একজন স্থপতি।
একজন স্থপতি. Okay.
Sir, what is Thopodi?
I am not supposed to say. That's
Let's
the
have
game.
a
So Logno, you have 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3. Done.
Guys, do you have any idea what
The
Thopodi
time
means?
is up. So
Time is up.
time is up. Tiger group has missed the first question. So Tiba, you can say the answer.
He is an architect.
He is an architect. Architect means স্থপতি. মানে যারা তোমার বিল্ডিং এর ডিজাইন গুলি করে, they are called স্থপতি. Okay. So
Sir, may I ask a question now?
huh?
Sir, can the
Lion
tiger
group will
group
get 2 points because tiger group has not been able to answer it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Can I ask, sir, can the tigers ask the lions question now?
Yes. This is time for tiger.
Sir, may I ask a question?
Yes. You can say I am asking this question to this person. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can mention his name or her name.
My father, আমার
কাকে কোশ্চেন
আমার
করছো?
দাদা
আরিয়ান কাকে কোশ্চেন করছো? লায়ন গ্রুপের কাকে কোশ্চেন করছো?
I'm questioning Faraz.
Faraz. Okay, Faraz.
Okay.
আমার দাদা একটি মুক্তিযোদ্ধা যে 1971 সাল
No, no, only one.
স্যার একটি মুক্তিযোদ্ধা তো হয় না, একজন
একজন
মুক্তিযোদ্ধা হতে
মুক্তিযোদ্ধা।
পারে।
Okay, only one question. Aryan, only one question.
This is the one question. Sir, I added a conjunction J.
No, 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 no
So it's a
conjunction is allowed. Only one simple question.
Okay, sir. Then I have to change my.
Okay.
আমার বাবা একজন সম্মানিত সেনাপ্রধান।
আমার বাবা একজন সম্মানিত সেনাপ্রধান। ওকে, ফারাজ।
Yes, sir.
সেনাপ্রধান।
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tiger Group wins.
No, 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 you have to say the answer. Wait a bit.
My father is a respected general.
Is it okay, Tiba? Respected general?
We can also use respectful.
Respected is okay, I think.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so Tiger Group will get 2 points. Now it's time for Lion Group to ask question.
Okay, sir. My father.
No, 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 Tiba cannot ask. Another one.
Another one.
Ajita, can you ask?
I want to ask.
Sadaf?
I am Sadat.
Okay, Sadat. Okay, ask. তুমি জিজ্ঞেস করো। তুমি কাকে জিজ্ঞেস করতে চাও টাইগার গ্রুপের?
Sadafke.
সাদাফকে। ওকে, গুড।
Yes, sir.
Question to Sada.
লায়ন গ্রুপে।
কানে ব্যথা করে।
সে একজন পাইলট। সে একজন
ওকে, সে একজন পাইলট। ওকে, ওকে সাদাফ।
সে একজন পাইলট।
সাদাফ, answer. You have 10 seconds.
Wow.
He's a pilot. কি বলবো? He is a pilot.
He is a pilot. Okay.
So, sir, Tiger 2, Lion 0.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Teacher, can I?
Now it's time for Tiger Group to ask question.
Can I tell a question?
Yes, yes. Whom are you asking the question?
iPhone. আয়াত।
আয়াত, তুমি কাকে কোশ্চেন জিজ্ঞেস করতে চাচ্ছ? লায়ন গ্রুপের কাকে? লায়ন গ্রুপে আছে হচ্ছে তোমার তিবা আছে, নুহা আছে, অজিতা আছে।
তাসমিয়া
I'll question Ajita, Api.
অজিতা, ওকে।
সে একজন পরিচায়ক।
সে একজন
পরিচায়ক।
পরিচায়ক।
পরিচালক। স্যার, হিমেন পরিচালক।
Okay, for wrong question we will deduct 2 marks.
পরিচালক।
Okay, অজিতা।
সে একজন পরিচালক।
1.
He is a director.
3.
Director. Okay, got it. Lion Group 2 points. Okay, now it's time for Lion Group to ask question. Who will ask?
Can I ask question?
Who, Nuha?
Yes, sir. To Nasika.
Yes. You want to ask Nasika, okay?
Yes, sir. আমার চাচা একজন নাট্যকার।
আমার চাচা একজন নাট্যকার। Okay, that's a good question.
My uncle.
Please answer that, please.
No.
My uncle is an actor.
My uncle is an actor. Your answer? This is your answer?
No, sir. That is not correct answer.
Yes,
Oh,
Tiger.
please.
It was supposed to be, he was a film
No.
producer.
Aryan, you are not allowed to speak here. So, Nasika,
Yes, sir.
what is your answer, please? 1,
Sir, sir, my uncle is the actor. Sir, this is her answer. Sir,
My uncle is an actor, right? You said that?
Sir,
Okay, Aryan, do you think this is the correct answer?
No, sir.
Okay, the answer is wrong. My uncle is an actor, okay?
yes, sir.
So Lion Group will get
Actor মানে তো অভিনেতা।
and Tiger Group 0. Now it's time for Tiger Group to ask question.
Sir, আমার চাচা একজন প্রবাসী।
কাকে জিজ্ঞেস করছো সাদাফ?
প্রবাসীর ইংলিশ কি?
কাকে?
কাকে জিজ্ঞেস করছো? কোশ্চেনটা কাকে জিজ্ঞেস করলে? লায়ন গ্রুপের। লায়ন গ্রুপে অনেকেই আছে। টিবা আছে। তারপরে
সাদাত আছে।
সাদাত আছে, ইয়েস সাদাত আছে।
স্যার তাসমিয়া কি কোশ্চেনটা জিজ্ঞেস করলো?
না, সাদাফ জিজ্ঞেস করতে।
ও
আচ্ছা।
কাকে জিজ্ঞেস করতে চাও?
সাদাত।
সাদাতকে, ওকে।
My uncle is a foreigner.
My uncle is a foreigner. The answer is correct. Okay, next. Lion Group. Lion Group will get 2.
কি বললো?
Lion Group এর কি আনসার এই কোশ্চেন করতে চাও?
স্যার আমি
ফারাজ, ওকে। কাকে করতে চাও?
আমি মার্জানকে করতে যাচ্ছি।
মারজানকে, ওকে, গুড। করো কোশ্চেন করো।
আমার বাবা একজন সরকারি চাকরিজীবী।
আমার বাবা একজন সরকারি চাকরিজীবী। মারজান।
মারজান স্যার। স্যার স্যার একটু আরেকবার বলবে?
ফারাজ প্লিজ।
আমার বাবা একজন সরকারি চাকরিজীবী।
My father is a government officer.
Okay, that's correct.
Sorry. আচ্ছা, okay.
Okay. Now the Tiger Group will ask question.
সে একজন বড় মনের মানুষ।
Whom are you asking the question?
তাসমিয়া কাকে জিজ্ঞেস করছো? ও লগ্ন, ওকে, শিওর।
স্যার সে একজন বড় মনের মানুষ। অ্যানসারটা দেবে নুহা।
I think the answer is she is a kind-hearted person.
No.
মনের মানুষ।
Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, logno, tell us the answer.
Sir, this answer is she is a big-hearted person.
Big-hearted or great-hearted? Okay. Tiger Group will get 2, Lion 0. Okay, how many questions have you asked? Can anyone say?
Sir, 8 questions. 8 questions. I have noted down all the marks. Sir,
Okay,
I
now
have
one
noted
group
down
ask.
all marks. Tiger
Okay.
4, Lion 4.
Okay, now it's time for Lion Group to ask. Anyone from Lion Group?
আমরা জিজ্ঞাসা করব।
Okay, আরশ, তাসমিয়া।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, কাকে কোশ্চেন করতে যাচ্ছ?
আরিয়ান।
আরিয়ানকে, ওকে। Okay, no one has asked. বলো।
তিনি একজন বিচক্ষণ।
তিনি একজন বিচক্ষণ কি? এটার সাথে যোগ করতে হবে, কোন একটা নাউন যোগ করতে হবে।
বিচক্ষণ মানুষ।
তিনি একজন বিচক্ষণ মানুষ। Anyone is counting? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
He's a blind
7,
person. 8, blind person.
9, 10 times up.
9, 10 times up.
Times
Sir, I
up, sir,
said
times up.
he's a blind person.
Blind.
তিনি একজন বিচক্ষণ ব্যক্তি। The time is up. Aryan, the time is up.
The time is up.
Sir, I literally said in the 8th second he's a blind
But no
person.
one has listened.
Not blind person. একজন বিচক্ষণ ব্যক্তি। তাসমিয়া, তোমাকে ট্রান্সলেশনটা বলতে হবে। এটা ট্রান্সলেশনটা কি?
He is a discorrect man.
He is a
Discorrect man.
no. I think it is not okay. Ajita, do you think it's okay?
I don't think.
It's not okay.
It's not okay. So Tiger Group 0, Lion Group 0.
Allah.
Sir, may I ask a
He
question
is a
to
careful
the Lion
person.
Group?
He is a careful person.
Sir, may
Okay,
I ask a
no.
question to the
Now
Lion
Abiyaz will ask a question. Abiyaz, you are in Lion Group?
Yes, sir. He is in
No.
Lion.
This is time for you. Please ask. Whom? কাকে question করতে চাও?
Sir, but he's in the Lion Group.
Sir, he is in Lion Group.
Oh, okay. Now it's time for Tiger Group.
Sir, may I ask a question?
No, your turn is over.
Sir, may I ask a question?
No. Arosh, you can ask.
Arosh.
Yes,
Marja.
Arosh, are you there?
স্যার টাইগার গ্রুপে স্যার কে কে আছে?
Ibah,
He হচ্ছে
Ajita, Tasmia, Nuha, Salehi, Nayat, Faraz, Sadad, Arosh, আর Abiyaz.
আবিয়াসকে কোশ্চেন করতে পারো। You can ask question to Abiyaz.
Sir,
Yes, you are in Lion Group.
স্যার আমার কোশ্চেনটা হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশে কতগুলো গ্রাম আছে? এটা স্যার ইংলিশে বলতে হবে।
No. আমাদের যে কোশ্চেনগুলি করতে হবে সেটা এই প্যাটার্নে আর কি। Okay? Like subject plus to be verb plus noun. Like my brother is a student. এই জাতীয় কোশ্চেন, ওকে? শেষে থাকতে হবে noun, to be verb আর একটা সাবজেক্ট। আরোশ, ask.
আমার দাদা একজন মুক্তিযোদ্ধা।
আমার দাদা একজন মুক্তিযোদ্ধা।
that's an easy win for Lion.
My uncle is a freedom
আমার
fighter.
দাদা।
My grandfather is a
You
freedom
are cook.
Okay. So I think the answer is correct. Lion Group will get 2 and Tiger Group 0. Now we can count. Who won this game? কে জিতেছে? Manha, can you say?
Aryan, did you wrote the marks and the questions?
Sir, the Lion Group got 8 marks and Tiger Group also got 8 marks.
No, Lion Group got 10 marks
10 marks. We have got 10 marks.
and Tiger Group 8 marks.
Yes,
So
sir.
who is the winner today?
স্যার
Lion
এটার
Group.
অ্যান্সারটা আমি আরেকবার বলতে চাই।
Yes.
Yes? Tasmia bolo.
He is a sensible man.
Okay, he is a sensible man. Okay, it's okay. So তোমাদের জন্য একটা homework আছে. Homework
Sir.
means Okay, Tasmia, you got it right now. এখন ঠিক হয়েছে।
স্যার আগের যে শব্দটা বলেছি সেটার প্রোনাউন্সিয়েশন কি হবে?
I actually don't
Discorrect.
know.
মানে
This correct.
DISCEREET.
Maybe, sir, it is this correct?
It's correct, maybe, but I'm not sure about it. I have not heard that word before. Okay, so you have a task for next class. Before next class, you will make a 1-minute video giving your self introduction. Okay, নিজেদের self
Myself.
introduction দিয়ে 1 minute-এর একটা ভিডিও করবা and you will post the video in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir.
তোমাদের যে WhatsApp গ্রুপ আছে সেই গ্রুপে নিজেদের সেলফ ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দিয়ে একটা ভিডিও করে you put it there and try to be as smart as possible. Okay, is it clear to you, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute or 2
Yes,
minute-এর
sir.
একটা
Yes,
ইন্ট্রোডাকশন
sir.
দিবা, সেলফ ইন্ট্রোডাকশন।
Yes, sir.
Myself or my family self?
Whatever you say, you talk about yourself, you talk about your family, you are free. It should be
Okay.
within 1 or 2 minutes. Okay,
Okay.
and you post it in the WhatsApp.
স্যার
Hmm.
স্যার বিচক্ষণ মানুষের হচ্ছে মানে ইংলিশটা একটু যদি বলতেন।
বিচক্ষণ কেয়ারফুল হইতে পারে, সেন্সিবল হইতে পারে। ওকে,
কেয়ারফুল।
কেয়ারফুল হইতে পারে, হি ইজ এ কেয়ারফুল
Thank you,
পারসন।
sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, who
Okay.
is the winner of this competition?
Okay, lion got 10 and tiger got 8. Now you decide who is the winner.
Then
Lion
the
group.
lion group wins.
But yesterday we won 3 and yesterday they won 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 3 is bigger than 2. So tiger wins. Go Tigers.
Okay. So it was nice having time with you. Thanks to all. Did you
Thank
enjoy
you, sir.
today's class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.